Hey, what's going on, you guys? Now, in this video, I am going to show you how do you poke someone on Facebook and see who poked you on Facebook. Now, this is going to be very quick and easy, so let's start. So, first here, let's go ahead and open up Facebook. Now, once you're here, tap on the search icon and you want to search for pokes. Tap on search. Now the very first result is what you want to check out. So tap on it. And here you can see who poked you, and there are also suggested people that you can poke. You can also search for a friend whom you want to poke. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.